Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect Stream to PayPal. So here is a simple and a straightforward guide on how to link or connect Stream to your Payhip. So the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account. Then from there, click from your profile icon in the top right corner and go to the settings. So on the left hand side, click payment details. So under the Stream section, click connect Stream account and a new page will open. Sign into your Stream account or create one if you don't have it. Then follow the on-screen instruction and authorize the connection. So once done, you will be redirected back to your Payhip with Stream successfully linked. And here's a quick tips. Once connected, you can start accepting credit and debit card payments through your Stream or your Payhip store. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.